What's your full name?
My name is Mehdi Hassan.
What's your nickname?
My no nickname, sir. Everyone
You don't
call
have
me
any
Mehdi
nickname?
Hassan. No, sir. But Facebook helps, sir. But I add on this Facebook Majumdar on my
Okay.
family.
Do you practice English with your friends?
Yes, sir. Have a living Saudi Arabia. My one friends. He's a study English therapy, but I share with him. I am new journey. Have a time society. Is wow, very fantastic. Then tell him I don't get any person with practicing for practicing, but you any free time have you call me. I practice with him, but I
Okay,
sometimes
mashallah. So, do you use internet?
yes, sir. I use internet.
Let's say something about your living place. Where are you living now?
Sir, I am living now of Jeddah of Saudi Arabia.
So, do you like visiting interesting places of Saudi Arabia?
Yes, sir. I like interesting place of Saudi Arabia like this. Have a river and big mall. Every Friday I visit their mall, all mall, because my
So,
holiday is Saturday.
how is the people of Saudi Arabia? Are they good or bad?
Here of six person, so it is different. This one like this black, one is white, and one is brown. One is big, but danger is black, sir. He's
Okay.
very bad person. His behavior not good, sir.
Okay, understand. Do you like to visit Medina or Makkah Mukarramah?
Yes, sir. My company is every Ramadan give 2 days, 3 days give day off. Then I go visit Makkah, Medina. Because sir, my near Makkah, only 40 minutes need to I go Makkah.
Okay.
Inshallah,
So,
next Saturday I go to Makkah.
inshallah, inshallah. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala accept your dua so that you can go fast.
Inshallah,
Okay.
sir.
So, what do you do basically in Saudi Arabia? Do you have any business in Saudi Arabia or are
No,
you working
sir.
in a company?
I am working in a company. Work at Alvik restaurant is the famous of Saudi Arabia, and
Okay.
I am a team member. But I getting maybe 2 week have get leadership. Then you for fair me, and
Inshallah.
maybe next 4 month I have participate of CTM supervisor. You fair for me.
Inshallah, inshallah. One last question for you, which is
Okay, sir.
do you like to practice English with the people of Saudi Arabia or the people of Bangladesh?
Lot of have people Bangladeshi, but is don't know the English. But I like Filipino my Ori because I practice to talk with him only. He's
Okay.
coming my friend and like this.
Okay, thank you. Okay, Muhammad Imran Khan Saib, unmute yourself.
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Wa alaikum assalam. Assalamu alaikum. What's your full
Alaikum
name?
assalam. My full name is MD Imran Khan.
Where do you live, Imran Saib?
I currently live in Singapore.
Do you like to eating delicious foods of Singapore?
No, sir. I like Bangladesh food because Singapore food and very wet. So some of Bangladesh people eat.
Do you think English is very, very important for all of us?
Yes, sir. Singapore very important English because here Singaporean foreign people all time in English talking.
So, why do you choose Times English Center for learning English? Why not other center?
I see without grammar. That's why I join.
So, can you speak English with others now?
Can some, no many.
Okay, some moments. Okay, mashallah, good.
Speak
Okay,
English.
so do you drive car? Do you drive car in Singapore?
No, sir. In Singapore, I no drive car because my license don't have it.
Okay, you don't have license, so you don't actually drive car in Singapore. Okay, so what do you do basically in Singapore?
I am construction working.
Okay, what is the name of your company?
My company name is Hansing Construction Engineering Private Limited.
Okay, so what will you do after the class?
After class, now already 12 p.m. ready. Our class finish. I think 2 p.m. Something after I sleep.
What will you do after completing the course with Times English Center?
No. I all time I need all time English because Singapore need English. I work in Indian people, Burma people. This I need English.
Do you contact with your family every moment?
Yes, I contact every day, every moment.
Okay. Okay. One last question for you, which is, do you like reading storybooks?
Yes, I reading books like.
Okay, ঠিক আছে। Mumin Muhammad Abdul Shahab, unmute yourself. What's your full name?
My full name is Mohammad Abdul Momin.
Do you like living Singapore?
Yes, I am living Singapore
Okay.
because they are a very safe country.
Do you live with your family or without family?
I like living with family, but very expensive. Cannot living with family.
Okay, that means you are living alone.
Yeah, now, yes,
Do you use mobile phone?
yes, I am use mobile phone.
Are you working in a company?
Yes, I am working in company.
What is the name of your company?
My company name is X1 Construction Private Limited.
Where is it located?
Singapore, Kranji, Lordson. This on dormitory.
What do you do in your free time?
I am doing free time. I ride bicycle and visited some natural place.
After completing today's class, what will you do?
After complete class, I go to bed and sleep.
Okay. So, do you have any plan to start a business in future in Bangladesh?
Yes, I have plan start some business.
Okay. What kind of business you would like to start in future?
I like I open some clothing shop.
One last question for you, which is, can you cook biryani by yourself?
Yes, I sometimes cook biryani. I Saturday hour of day. Saturday next sometime I cook biryani.
Okay. Thank you, Munsha.